Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Sadia Naseem, your botany teacher from Beria Foundation College, Nashirov Road. Students, we were discussing about the reproduction in plant. In my previous lecture, I told you about the pollination. Now, today we are going to discuss the development of male gametophyte. After pollination, the next event is development of male and female gametophyte. So, we are going to discuss about the development of male gametophyte right now. Students, first step in the development of male gametophyte is anther diploid cells undergo meiosis. These anther diploid cells are produced within the microsporangia or pollen sacs of anther. These diploid cells called the microspore mother cells. Okay, what they are called? They are called the microspore mother cells. Okay, microspore mother cell, they undergo meiosis. During meiosis, each cell will divide into how many cells? 4 cells. In the topic of cell division, we have learned that in meiosis, a single cell divides into 4 daughter cells with the number of chromosomes become half. So the number of chromosomes here has been changed to the haploid. First it was diploid. Anther had diploid number of chromosomes. After meiosis, each cell will have the half number of chromosomes, that is haploid. Haploid number of chromosomes. Each microspore eventually divide once by mitosis. After this meiosis, next step is mitosis. Take this single cell for example. This single cell, it will divide by mitosis into 2 cells. Okay, it will divide by the mitosis. Okay, these 4 cells will become 8 cells after the mitosis and produce the cells structured encased in a thick resistance wall. These 2 cells which are produced, they will be enclosed in a thick resistant wall like this. This thick resistant wall cover it and give it protection. The unique wall is different for each plant species. Together, those cells and their wall constitute a pollen grain on immature male gametophyte. This is known as pollen grain. Pollen grain. So, how pollen grain is formed? The pollen grain consists of 2 cells enclosed within a thick resistant wall. First step was the meiosis, then mitosis, then the formation of the pollen grain. After pollination and germination, each microspore developed to form the mature male gametophyte. Here the tubes, these 2 cells, one cell is known as the tube cell and the other one is the generative cell. What is the name of these 2 cells? One is the tube cell and other one is the generative cell. This tube cell will change into pollen tube. What tube cell will form? Pollen tube. And the generative cell, this generative cell will change into sperm. Okay, this generative cell will change into the sperm. So the male gametophyte consists of elongated pollen tube that containing 2 male gametes and tube nucleus. It was about the development of the male gametophyte. Okay, read this very carefully. It is very important to understand all the steps of the male gametophyte formation. In my next lecture, I will tell you about the development of the female gametophyte. And after development of both gametophytes, we will discuss the fertilization. Make the notes of your topic and send me in WhatsApp group. I am waiting for your work. Allah Hafiz.